Assalamualaikum. My name is Riyan Ali and I
Loudly.
am from Smart Learning Institute. This is a wind turbine. In the 1990s there was a electric engineer, Professor James Blyth. He started this invention. He had a turbine that was for water and mud, and then he converted that same turbine into electricity and made lights and fans for his house. He had wires connecting with the wind turbine for his. And over here I will show you when the wind comes to it. When the wind comes to it, the turbine will slowly start working like this, and the lamp will on over here. The lamp will be on over here. This is the wind turbine. And over here, this is a RC car model. It has batteries and it has motor over here. It has two big tires and one small tire for the turning left and right. When the big tire is on like this, as you can see, the small tire will work by itself. As you can see over here, like this.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdurrahman. I am from Beam Schooling System. This is an interesting demonstration, electromagnetic induction. It has a battery, switch, resistor, transistor and a primary copper coil. It has two systems. It has two circuits, primary and secondary. Primary circuit has a battery, switch, resistor, transistor and a primary copper coil. Secondary circuit has LED connected to secondary circuit has LED. When we brought the secondary circuit closer to the primary circuit, the lights will turn on. This is a smart robot. It has two large tires, two small tires, and
Loudly.
it has two large tires, two small tires, and a battery, and turn on and turn off switch. When we turn on, the two tires will rotate, and these two small tires will help to move. You can see.
Thank you, Shower.